Why is vaping so hard to stop?
Vaping becomes addictive quickly because nicotine reaches the brain in seconds. It creates a sudden spike in dopamine that trains the brain to want more right away. The flavors and smooth feel make it seem harmless even though the brain is already learning a habit loop. It is not about weakness, it is about how fast the brain responds to chemicals.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, nicotine activates the mesolimbic dopamine pathway and overstimulates receptors in the ventral tegmental area and nucleus accumbens. It also down-regulates acetylcholine receptors, which increases cravings. In kid-friendly language, vaping teaches your brain to want more because the chemical gives a fast buzz that fades quickly. When it fades, your brain asks for another hit to feel normal again.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, because nicotine changes the reward circuits inside the limbic system. It speeds up dopamine release and then drops it lower, which creates a craving cycle. But those circuits can heal with small consistent resets, just like muscles get stronger with tiny exercises. Even tiny choices shape the direction of your life, and the brain follows the same rule.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, concentration drops because the brain keeps thinking about the next hit. Emotions feel tense or irritated when the buzz wears off. Friendships can shift toward groups that vape and away from healthier circles. Family trust can get shaky when kids hide the habit. Daily routines change because cravings push the brain to find a vape more than anything else.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because cravings grow from tiny repeated choices. Imagine a tiny spark in dry grass. Even a small spark can turn into a fire if it is fed again and again. But the same spark can die out if you stop feeding it. Your identity is built from these small yes and small no moments every day.
So, how do I start?
Begin with one thought, which is noticing the exact moment a craving rises. Then choose one feeling, such as courage or calm instead of panic. Then choose one behavior, like delaying for 60 seconds and drinking water while breathing slow. That 1 minute helps break the chemical loop and teaches your brain a new rhythm.
What should we do today?
Try the 1 minute delay challenge every time a craving shows up. Do anything healthy for 60 seconds and watch how the craving changes. Comment the word strong if you want more episodes like this. And subscribe if these tools help your mind feel clearer and braver. Remember, your brain can heal and reset even after strong patterns. Every healthy choice sends a new signal that rebuilds your strength. You never have to be perfect, you only have to start. You are becoming someone who leads their habits instead of being led by them.
See you in the next episode.